Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video on how to make money online. So right on your screen you can see this March month end quiz, and once you participate in this quiz you are going to get rewarded, and they will be giving away 300 mystery bucks on Binance. So all you need to do is to read the articles on here. See these links right here, just read the articles. Once you read the articles, then you come down and answer these questions. You understand? So once you are done, this is like the answers. This is like the answers right here. You can decide to copy and you can decide to read for yourself and make your own answer. Then before you do that, before you answer the questions, it will require that you submit your Binance user ID, And what is your Binance user ID? Before you can get your Binance user ID, you have to go to your Binance account. And once you go to your Binance account, at the top left corner you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these 8 figures. Okay, let me go to my Binance account so you can see right here. So this is my Binance account. All I need to do is to click on this symbol right here, my account symbol. So once account icon, once I do that, then I need to copy my ID. You can see my ID right here. So this is all I need to copy. So once I copy it, all I need to do is to go back to the documents and put in my user ID, then fill in the answers here. Once I'm done filling the answers, then I click on submit. So you can see March month end quiz. Then I can click on view score. Let me click on view score to see. So you see total points 4/5, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Then this saying I'm wrong. Alright, so that's it. That's how to. This is an open-ended question where you have to put in you don't have to make choices, so that's why it's saying 4/5. So guys, that's how to participate in this particular giveaway. If you are seeing this video, quickly go ahead and participate. I'll drop the link to this document, this form. I'll drop it in the description of this video. And if you don't have a Binance account yet, I'll drop a link where you can sign up, and I'll see you in my next video. Please guys, don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe. For you to get notifications whenever I post videos, you need to turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.